Hey YouTube, I wanted to go on here and do kind of like a take down my Christmas decorations with me. I don't know if that's a thing, but I figured I'd share it with y'all. It's so sad to see it go, but Valentine's Day is coming up, so I want to kind of like start prepping the house for that, getting all the Christmas decorations down. I actually have decorations all around my house. I'm mainly gonna record me taking down the tree and putting up and showing y'all how I put my the decorations on the tree, where I put them. I actually have my totes right here on the side. But yeah, and then I will show you kind of like the before and after pictures. So yeah, if you want to see me take down my Christmas decorations, keep watching. All right, let's get started. Now that I took off all of my decorations, I put them on the table and separated them from the decorative balls to all like the fluffier ones. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take down my lights. I'm hoping you can see. It kind of looks a little dark. I don't know. So I have like this trick. Instead of like rolling the lights up and them getting all tangled, I just cut 3 pieces of cardboard and I'm just gonna wrap them. I've been using this since we moved into this house, probably about 6 years already. And then I just saved a little baggie and I just put them in there and then put it in the big tote. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So a really quick tip, the pine needles, don't ever vacuum them, well, a bunch at a time. I normally sweep up the bulk of it and then I will go ahead and vacuum the little ones that don't come up, because I have broke, I don't know if it's just the vacuum, but I have literally broke 2 of my vacuums. Okay, so I purchased these ornaments from Costco probably like 2 years ago. And I love because they're traditional. They have the green and the red and the white. And what I do, I just save the box and then I just repack them the way they were packed in here. I'm not sure if people have the patience to do that, but I'm a little OCD. And then now the next thing I'm gonna do is with these other balls, I have this wine carrier. There's different sections in here. So what I do, I just put you know, the ones that I don't want to get squished. None of them are glass. They're just the plastic ones that I, you know, picked up at the Dollar Tree and made myself. I just put the little glitter in there for all of us. So I just, you know, and they fit perfectly in there. They don't get squished. And it's just a perfect holder for me. I think I'm missing one. And you can fit two perfectly in each. Depending on if you have more at the bottom, I do have a few little ones, but they're not going to get squished or anything. And you know, the kids make them from school, so I kind of keep them. And then I just close this up. So now what I'm going to do is pack up all of the like squishy and softer ornaments. And I have these boxes that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I just kind of put some in each one of them. Like the glittery ones I like to keep in here just because I'm not a fan of glitter. Like these, I just kind of set them in there gently. Like the more, like these, the ones that are more like, more receptive or more, you know, fragile. I like to keep them in here just so they don't break or they just kind of, you know, I just put a couple in there and then I'll just close this up and then put it in one of my totes. So I'm gonna take you off here. Okay, so I flipped the camera and here is my totes over here. There's my Christmas tree. It's so sad to see it go, but we have to move on with the year, right? So those are my totes, and I wanted to show y'all like the little decorations that I do have around the house. I just, you know, pick them up and then I will put them all together like I did with the ornaments from the tree, and then I just kind of separate them in different boxes. A lot of times I always find Christmas decorations around the house after I put everything away, and that drives me nuts, but what are you gonna do? These are my nutcrackers, and I normally have a box for them, but I'm not sure where it is. Oh, here it is. Because they're so fragile. They're not like the expensive kind. I actually purchased these from the Dollar Tree. They have them every year, so if you like them, you can go pick them up. They start putting them out probably like October, I think it is. I got all of them. I think there's one that I didn't get, but for the most part, I have a little one. She just turned 1 and she's obsessed with them. And I did have to glue a couple of them because she loves to like play with them, I guess. I don't know what it is, but okay, so I have my nutcrackers in here. All of like my Christmas stuff together, my Christmas tree stuff together, like the lights and anything that deals with the tree, besides the ornaments, but anything else big I like to keep in the bigger tote, and then I'll kind of like reorganize these other ones. So these 2 right here are done. I have 2 more to fill, and then the bigger one, which I'm gonna go get some stuff in the bathroom, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and finished taking all the decorations off, and I don't know what happened to my camera. I guess it died or something. So I went ahead and just organized all of my decorations around that I had around the house and in the bathroom, and I just boxed everything up. These are the pillows that I have. They're actually pillow covers. I'm not sure if I'm going to take them off and use them for a different season, but I just have those that I'm going to pack away. And then here's just one of the totes that I have with all of my, with all of my signs for Christmas and stuff, so I can keep them safe until next Christmas. And I will show you where I'm actually going to be putting all of my stuff at. Let me take it over here. Sorry if it's loud. It's my okay, so this is my garage area, and I have this I guess it's like a shelving unit. It's a little bit messy right now. I just went to Costco, so I have a bunch of stuff I haven't put away yet. But yeah, this is where I keep all of my storage bins. I have them all labeled, but I'm going to go ahead and put them up here, and then I will post a picture of my my before and after picture of where my tree is. So, so thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.